I'm going to do a quick video for you. My girls are sound asleep and they don't like me turning the light on. Even my little boy here is sleeping. But you know what? I bought this item today and I think you guys are going to like seeing it. So they're going to just have to suffer it out for a few minutes. Look at this. This is called a LensPen. Isn't that neat? It's for cleaning your lenses, either this telescope lens. That's why I bought it. I bought it for telescope accessories. Or something like binoculars. Here's my Pentax, beautiful binoculars. They work great. Or even your eyeglasses. It's a pretty nifty little deal. It's the probably the safest and easiest way to clean a lens. On one side here, you have a pull-off cap. Pull the cap off, and then you push forward on that lever to retract. You have a soft goat hair brush. You can see. Slightly dust the lenses off. If you have any dust on them, it works just great. It's just fabulous. Just got it today. Tried it. These binoculars were terrible. Now they're just beautiful. They look like new. And once if you have a, here I'll show you here too. You can go on the inside lightly. Dust off a binocular or a telescope eyepiece too, and your big objective lenses on your telescope, you can get at those too. Works great. Put it back in. Put the cap back on, and then over here you unscrew this side, and look at that. This is a little carbon cleaning disc, and I thought, gosh, I hope it doesn't scratch. It can't scratch. You take it like this, and you go over your lens, and smudges just miraculously disappear completely. It just does a great job on them. Little circular motions all the way around. Anyway, the LensPen has been out for quite a while. I just finally decided to invest in one. I paid $6.49 shipped. I got 2 days shipping. It's just a great deal. But if you look, it has only one limitation that I've come across. This right here is a 15mm lens, and you can clean the lens with the carbon cleaning tip. But look at this. A 9mm lens has really close eye relief. It's more likely to get oil on it from your eyelashes. But you can't, the carbon wheel is really too big to fit it. Inside or out, it's too big. But so for something like this, I recommend just spray a little lens cleaner on a Kleenex and wipe it off. Don't touch the inside usually. You can use the brush on the inside, but just clean the outside with Kleenex and or an actual lens cleaning cloth and a little bit of cleaning solution. But for all my other eyepieces, most of them are fairly big. This thing works great. Even on, like I said, even on this little 15mm, or medium size. It does a great job. Just looks great. Won't scratch it. Here's the packaging. I'll show you that real quick. It says LensPen Ultra Pro. Silver. It's a silver deal. And 500 uses, they say. So it'll last you for years. Really great to have if you've got a telescope and you want to keep your lenses looking really nice. This is highly recommended. And by pros, that's why I bought it, and it works great. If you got expensive, these are not real expensive, but really nice binoculars, you don't want to scratch them all up. These will do the trick. This LensPen will work great on them, and like I said, it'll work on your regular glasses too. So that's it. The LensPen. This is the original LensPen. I would avoid the cheap $3 and $4 ones. My brother bought one of those. It had a little spray nozzle on one side and a brush on the other. And the bristles came out of his brush, and so then he had to go buy compressed air to try to blow the bristles out of his camera, his expensive Nikon camera. So I would definitely stick with the original. This is really nice. The bristles aren't going anywhere on this. It's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to let the cats go back to bed. They're upset. I could hear them making noises over there. We'll zoom in on them one more time so you can see them. There's Taz up front and Tinky, her daughter, in the back. Every night they're in their chair sound asleep. And there's Taz.